What would you say is something that most people don't realize about what it takes to go from tech to business owner in this industry?
Learning business. So in business, you first have to learn a lot. So everything in business is a business, right? So you have to first learn how to set it up. Then once you learn how to set it up, you got to learn how to manage it. Once you learn how to manage it, you got to learn how to get leads or business. Then you got to learn how to market. Then you got to learn, you have to get some accountants. So everything in the business is going to take time for you to learn. You are not going to learn all of these things in 1 to 5 years. It's been almost 10 years and I'm still trying to put pieces together. And as I put the piece together, I learned something new.
Hmm. Yeah. So now that you've spent a number of years in the field and have a high level understanding of how everything in the business and really the industry operates, what changes or shifts do you see coming in the fire alarm and life safety industry that people need to be paying attention to?
I'm gonna tell you this, I'm gonna change the way the industry is.
Hmm.
A lot of these companies need to train their techs a lot more. They need to give them more of an incentive when it comes to actually training. They need to help them get NICET certified. A lot of times you have to pay out your pocket. Not saying that you shouldn't invest in yourself, but I think if a company it's the company's responsibility to make the technician better. So
Hmm.
whatever the company has to do, it should be invested in that technician, not just sending them to the manufacturer training, but whatever it is that tech want to do within this field, the company should be behind them. So
Hmm.
what I'm going to do is change that aspect because I'm going to teach everyone, and then that's the same model that I'm going to live by within my business.